Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to make the diamond frats. So I'm just joking, but let's actually make the game now. So let's say when you click this broadcast, that weird thing, and then do a when I receive, do whatever, like. But we want an actual name, right? So first I'm gonna port something from one of my stuff. So let's just frat stuff. Let's do a movement test. So here's a toad. Pause the video if you want to if you want to make it. Also, this is what happens if you kind of add that. You can't, it's just kind of broken, so that's why it's in that. So now since you got movement, let's say you want an enemy, right? Let's make the enemy. So, no, let's say a throwing spear dart thingy. What's this stuff? No, right. Alright, got that. Now I just need to, wait, no. And bam, we got a little enemy. Now make sure to align everything if you want it to have the best alignment, but don't if you want to have trouts and stuff like this. Bam. Who that? How the? I know. We're not even close to being done if you want an enemy. Just like, it doesn't even do anything. So let's just, I'm joking, I'm not doing the totem montage. About 2 seconds. Yeah, but it's not even dodgeable. It's just you got yourself a little dodging thing. Hold on. It's a little too long that sounds. Just sort it and then there we go. Next we need a little death sequel. So let me just do a little totem montage on that. Bam. Wait. You got a game? You got a game now. So weird dodging game, but you got a game now.